Perkenalkan, nama saya Mutiara Zahra dari kelas 12/4 dengan nomor NIS 22681055. Is fat the same as lipid? Explain its structure and properties. The answer is no. Fat is a type of lipid, but not all lipids are fats. Lipids are a broad class of biological compounds that are insoluble in water, but soluble in nonpolar organic solvents, such as chloroform or ether. Lipids include a variety of structures, such as fats and oils, like triacylglycerols, phospholipids, steroids, terpenoids. Next, the structure of fats. Fats, also known as triacylglycerol, are esters formed from glycerol, a 3-carbon alcohol with 3 hydroxyl groups, 3 fatty acids, long-chain carboxylic acids. There are 2 types of triacylglycerol. Simple triacylglycerol, all 3 fatty acids are the same. Mixed triacylglycerol contain 2 or 3 different fatty acids. Next is properties of fats. Physical properties. Fats are solid at room temperature, while oils or liquid fats are usually unsaturated. Saturated fats have no double bonds and pack tightly, giving them higher melting points. Unsaturated fats have just double bonds that introduce bands, lowering melting points. 2. Chemical properties. Can undergo hydrolysis or break down with water to release glycerol and fatty acids. Undergo saponification with base to produce soap. Can be hydrogenate to reduce double bonds or may form harmful trans fats. The biological role. Serve as major energy reserve in animals, yield more than twice the energy per gram compared to carbohydrates. Provide insulation and help absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K. What are the differences between fats and oils? The differences between them lie in their physical state, source, fatty acid composition, and melting point. Fats are solid at room temperature, while oils are liquid at room temperature. Fats are typically derived from animal sources, such as butter, lard, and the fatty portions of meat, whereas oil are usually obtained from plant or fish sources, such as olive oil, fish oil, and soybean oils. In terms of composition, fats contain a higher proportion of saturated fatty acid, which have no double bonds. This results in straight hydrocarbon chains that allow molecules to pack closely together, leading to a higher melting point. In contrast, oils are rich unsaturated fatty acid, especially in the cheese configuration. These contain 1 or more double bonds that introduce bands in the fatty acid chains, preventing tight molecular packing and resulting in a lower melting point, which explains their liquid state at room temperature. Why is the acid value of oil important to know? The acid value indicates how much base is required to neutralize the free fatty acids in 1 gram of oil. It also reflects the quality of the oil. The higher the acid value, the more base is needed, which means there is a greater amount of free fatty acids present in the oil. This indicates that the oil has undergone hydrolysis, releasing its constituent fatty acid. This condition can lower the quality of the oil, as the resulting free fatty acids may cause rancid odors, changes in texture, and make the oil more prone to oxidation, thereby accelerating further deterioration. Explain the title of the journal, examples of volatile oils, and the uses of volatile oils in daily life. The title of the journal is Volatile Oil Constituents, Bioactivity and Formulations of Essential Oil from Psidium guajava. The example of volatile oils. In the context of this journal, volatile oils refer to volatile compounds isolated from plants. Examples from Psidium guajava include alpha-limonen, cadinen, caryophyllene, nerolidol, and viridiflorol. The uses of volatile oils in daily life. Volatile oils are used for biological benefits like insecticidal and antifungal, health purposes like herbal or traditional medicine, nutritional uses like flavoring in food or drinks. What is a lipid? Explain the definition, classification, structure, function, example, and existence. The definition of lipids are compounds of biological origin that dissolve in nonpolar solvents, such as chloroform and diethyl ether. The name lipid comes from the Greek word lipos, for fat. Lipids are defined by the physical operation that we use to isolate them. Lipids are classified based on the acyl backbone or the presence of an acyl group in their structure, which can react with NaOH, forming a saponification reaction. Number 1 is saponifiable lipid. Saponifiable lipids are lipids that can be saponified or react with a base because they contain an acyl group. The lipid component that saponifiable lipids are fatty acid, triglyceride, waxes, and phospholipids. Lipid component of saponifiable lipid number 1 is fatty acid. Fatty acid is long-chain carboxylic acid, which is unbranched. Lipid component of saponifiable lipid number 2 is triglyceride. Triglyceride is a triester formed from 3 fatty acids and 1 glycerol. Triglyceride is a compound that, when hydrolyzed, will produce 3 fatty acids and 1 glycerol. Next, the classification of triglyceride. Number 1 is simple triglyceride. Example, tristearin. Number 2 is mixed triglyceride. Example, deodipalmitin. The function of triglyceride. Triglyceride as the main source of energy and energy storage. Next, the existence of triglyceride. Triglyceride can be found in oil, butter, and soap. Lipid component of saponifiable lipid number 3 is waxes. Waxes can be hydrolyzed with base that contain water. Next, the example of waxes is cetyl palmitate, from spermaceti. Lipid component of saponifiable lipid number 4 is phospholipids. The definition of phospholipids is organic derivative of phosphoric acid by linking two of the H atoms to hydroxyl group. There are two types of phospholipid. Number 1 is phosphoacylglycerol, and number 2 is pingomyelin. Lipid component of saponifiable lipids number 4 is phospholipids. The definition of phospholipids is organic derivative of phosphoric acid by linking two of the H atoms to hydroxyl group. There are two types of phospholipid. Number 1 is phosphoacylglycerol, and number 2 is pingomyelin. The existence of phospholipids The function of phospholipids are as cell membranes and as emulsifier. Number 2 is unsaponifiable lipids. Unsaponifiable lipids are lipids that cannot be saponified or cannot react with a base because they do not contain an acyl group. Include steroid, terpen, and fat-soluble vitamins. Lipid component of unsaponifiable lipids number 1 is steroid. Steroid are tetracyclic lipid containing 3,6-membered ring and 1,5-membered ring. The importance of steroids are sex hormones, bile acids, adrenal corticosteroid, and cholesterol. Lipid component of unsaponifiable lipids number 2 is terpen. Terpen are lipids that consist of multiples of 5 carbon atoms, composed of isoprene units. Lipid component of unsaponifiable lipid number 3 is fat-soluble vitamin. There are 4 fat-soluble vitamins. Number 1 is vitamin A. Vitamin A, it is also known as retinol. Besides vitamin, it is also classified as terpenes. Next is vitamin D. Vitamin D is the most abundant of the D vitamins. It can be synthesized in the body from cholesterol. Next is vitamin E. Vitamin E, it is also known as tocopherol. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, so it protects unsaturated side chains in the fatty acid from oxidation. Next vitamin is vitamin K.